55% of the adults are living an unsatisfied life. Hi, my name is Koel and welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this video, that means something is not right in your life. Maybe you have lost someone, maybe you're not doing in your career very well, or maybe your relationship is not working out. But it's okay. This video is not something that will help you to forget everything and do great in life, but actually it will help you to deal with it. First of all, don't think why me or don't think ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ. सबके साथ हर तरीके की चीज़ें होती हैं. बहुत बुरा, अच्छा, हर इंसान कुछ ना कुछ बैटल कर रहा है अपनी ज़िंदगी में. एंड ऑलवेज थिंक, जो मैं सोचती हूँ और मेरे लिए बहुत काम करता है वो है, इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था. राइट? एटलीस्ट नाउ यू हैव अ हाउस. आप उस घर पे बैठे हो. आपके पास अभी मे बी इंटरनेट है कि दैट्स व्हाई यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. आपके पास वो टाइम है. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल आउट देयर जिनके पास खाने के लिए ना खाना है, ना पैसा है, ना कपड़े हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. राइट? सो वी आर इन अ बेटर प्लेस. ओके, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट लाइफ जब ऐसी उटपटांग चीज़ें हमारे पर थ्रो करती है, सो हम उसे कैसे टैकल करें. एंड दिस होल वीडियो इज अबाउट इट. The first thing you need to do is move on. Yes, it's very important that we move on. If we keep cribbing about what has happened, it will never get solved. जो हो गया सो हो गया. We should not be thinking about it. You could be a retired man. You can go travel. You can write blogs. You could be someone who is a student who's not able to crack an competitive exam. You can try again. You can restart. Remember the movie 12th Fail? You could be someone whose relationship has just broken into pieces. You can restart by loving yourself, by developing an amazing relationship with yourself. So the first and foremost thing is to move on. You need to accept what has happened with full heart, cry it out, and then just forget about it. I know it's easier said than done. It's not that easy, but try. We can always try, right? Just try to move on. Number 2, you can start something new. Start something from the beginning, Whether you are in your golden years or midlife or teenager, you can again start something. जो आप करना चाहते थे but हुआ नहीं. And it's very important that you set small goals. ऐसे goals नहीं रखना है which is unachievable. Third, hobbies. You can either develop a new hobby or you can inculcate or you can cultivate the hobby you always had. You know your hobbies better. You know your passion better. Just get up and start working on it. It's very important that we, hobbies are something which actually help us to get into a flow state. Now, what is flow state? Flow state is a state where you lose the track of your time. You're so much into it that you forget that you have spent hours and hours working into it. Right? Supposedly, your passion is, singing, or your passion is making music. You're so much involved in making music कि घंटों निकल जाते हैं. So try to engage in some or the other activity which actually, you love doing that. So that way it will be very easy to divert your attention from something which has happened in the past to something which can help you in the future. So focus on your hobbies, work on your hobbies. Last and the most important thing, well-being. When I say well-being, I just don't focus on the physical health. I just don't focus on the mental health. Let's be real. Let's normalize the word depression. Let's normalize the word mental issues, right? जब हम कोई जिम ज्वाइन करते हैं ना, तो बड़े ताव से बोलते हैं कि यार न्यू ईयर है, रेजोल्यूशन है कि अब मैं हर रोज जिम जाऊंगी और आई विल डू योगा, राइट? पोस्ट करते हैं वीडियोस. बट कभी भी किसी से बोला है कि आई हैव अ थेरेपिस्ट? और हैव यू एवर थॉट ऑफ हैविंग अ थेरेपिस्ट? समटाइम्स वी it's out of our control. Then we should take help of a professional. Let's normalize taking help of a mental health professional. Go see a doctor. Whatever has happened has happened. It has happened for good. For God's sake, move on. You have all the things in life. Only one thing is not there. You know what? The clock is ticking. The time is just running fast like anything. Make sure that you don't waste any more time in whatever happened in the past, but rather make yourself so wise and so strong that you will now just focus on your personal growth. So these are few things that I wanted to share with you based on my experience, and I hope this will help you to deal with whatever you're currently facing. We are all together in it. You're not alone. Hope you liked the video, and please do like and share and subscribe. Thank you.